Dear viewers, hope you are well. I get thrilled when I speak of Kenya's railway constructed by China because the railway highly benefiting Kenya's working class by saving time and traveling costs. The Chinese built 480-kilometer Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway (SGR) has been at the heart of Kenya's quest for economic revival 5 years after its launch on May 31, 2017. A railway official of Kenya says Chinese built SGR Standard Gauge Railway embedded in Kenya's quest for economic renewal. In this regard, I published a video on June 4, 2022 on SGR Railway, Kenya. I am giving a link this video and you will get that easily. Mr. Philip Jamuhuri Mainga, Managing Director of State-Owned Enterprise Kenya Railways Corporation, says the Chinese Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway (SGR) has played an important role in boosting Kenya's economic growth. The SGR has created efficiency and employment and improved the manufacturing sector and industrial sector onto another level. It has now played a key role in the business world. At the same time, the SGR is going to contribute 2 to 3% to Kenya's gross domestic product (GDP). Mr. Mainga says over the past 5 years, the freight trains have moved to estimated 20 million tons of bulk cargo. The route came particularly in the handy amid the COVID-19 pandemic by facilitating transportation of critical medical supplies. I must say we are lucky enough. We are doing more exports and diversification of our goods than before. We are seeing a dynamic change on what the SGR is doing in terms of exports. At the same time, SGR has enhanced Kenya's trade with neighboring countries too and offered an economic lifeline to member states of the East African Community. The official mentioned in particular the 120-kilometer Nairobi-Naivasha section of the SGR, which is instrumental in opening northwestern Kenya to trade and investments. Apart from freight trains along the route, there are also on average 6 passenger trains operating daily, carrying 7,000 to 10,000 people per day. This SGR has also contributed to the tourism sector of this country because we take a lot of people to Mombasa to do business, to do work, to relax and to enjoy. So when you see these, you see the Kenyan government and the Chinese government work together. We want to thank both governments for the support they have given us. The official said the SGR is also benefiting local people as skills transfer has so far reached 80 to 90%. Now our people are able to run the operations, to drive their locomotives, to carry on with signal work, to repair and maintain our wagons. The SGR is a successful project, a project with a future and a project that has transformed the country. I personally wish that this SGR railway would enhance more facilities for the common people of Kenya. Thank you.